guys, today I'm going to show you how to make fresh strawberry milk. Look at all these strawberries, aren't they so pretty? I'm going to choose 5 strawberries and dice them really small. Then I'm going to use a stainless steel masher. I'm going to make sure that it's going to be completely mashed up. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar, mix it thoroughly. And I'm going to be putting it into a pot to create the strawberry puree. You can cook it in medium-high temperature and keep on stirring to avoid getting burned. Let it cool in a glass or a cup. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tapioca powder. Mix. So if this is still wet, you probably might want to put 1 to 2 tablespoons of tapioca powder again. And then you're going to constantly mix it until it becomes a dough-like texture. So this is actually what it should look like. Some of my friends told me that it kind of looks like meat. Nah girl, nah, it's just strawberry. Okay, so I basically snipped a small piece of the dough and I rolled it up kind of like a worm shape. I know, that sounds gross, but I'm going to create small little boba balls and I find it to be extremely easy. But yeah, this whole process took me about 45 minutes to do, mostly because I'm a perfectionist. Also, if your hand is still sticky, remember to apply some tapioca powder on your fingers and keep on rolling. Okay, so my mom and I made 2 stars and a heart. Can you see them? So I pretty much boiled water to medium-high temperature. Then I toss all the little boba balls into it. Be sure to mix it up so that way they won't stick to each other. Okay, it's forming. So now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and this is what it should look like. Aren't they so pretty? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I cooled down the little boba balls with the strawberry puree. Now I'm going to use half and half milk and organic soy milk. Okay, if you don't have soy milk, that's totally fine. You can use whole milk if you like. I'm going to pour a thin layer of half and half. Then I'm going to add, oh, I kind of spilled this. Redo. I poured a thick layer of soy milk. Okay, so this is what it should look like. As a finishing touch, I added some ice in it. So now I'm going to stir it up. Mix. And this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Bye-bye.